Assalamu alaikum. Hello to Redan Private School Educational Channel. Today we are going to discuss some pattern or grammar point presented by Mr. Rukabie. We will discuss the structure used to plus imperative. We use the structure to express habits in the past that no longer exist. For example, if I used to do something in the past, but nowadays I don't do. I'm going to discuss this structure in a form of comparison. I mean, I'll follow Mazen habits in the past and nowadays. For example, in the past, Mazen used to drink milk, but nowadays he drinks coffee. Here we can find a comparison between what he did in the past and what he does in the present. Another example, Mazen used to have black hair, but nowadays he has gray hair. Lastly, Mazen used to be fat, but nowadays he is thin. Another form of using this structure just to compare two things. Mazen used to do some habit in the past, but nowadays he doesn't do. For example, in the past Mazen used to eat a lot, but nowadays he doesn't. Mazen used to have a kite, but nowadays he doesn't. Lastly, Mazen used to be sleepy, but nowadays he isn't. The last form of using this structure just to speak about something Mazen didn't used to do in the past, but nowadays he does. For example, in the past, Mazen didn't used to speak English, but nowadays he does. Mazen didn't used to have a car, but nowadays he has. Lastly, Mazen didn't used to be a traveler, but nowadays he is. Okay, let's come to the exercise to realize if we have understood what I have taught or not. Let's come to the first sentence. We, and here we have to choose use, used to, or are used to. We use, we used to, we are used to travel by camels. In this sentence, we are going to speak about a habit in the past, and here we must choose yes, perfect, it's used to. Number 2, Grandpa didn't uses to have a mobile. I'm speaking about my dad's or my grandpa habit that he didn't. Yes, it's used. Didn't used to have a mobile, because after didn't we are going to use the verb infinitive and its use. Number 3, if we come to the form of question, it's the choices are did, do, does, was. You used to be a fast swimmer. Here we have a form of question, and as we have used, so we are going to use which one? Yes, right, it's did. Number 4, he used to smoke. It's a comparison between what he used to do and what he now. Okay, yes, he used to smoke, but now he do, does, did, is not. Here we have a comparison between a habit in the past and he used to smoke, but so there is something contrasted. Now he, which one? Yes, good, it's does. Number 5, Khalid used to be short. This was in the past, but surely now he is completely different. So Khalid used to be short, but now he did not, do not, does not, is not. If we here notice that we have the verb be, so here the comparison is. Number 6, we didn't use to, speak, spoke, speaking, or spoke English. I think it's so clear because after to we use infinitive and it's right. be. Number 6. Streets used to. The same style. Streets used to be, was, been, or were quiet. Sure, you know that after to we use infinitive, and the infinitive is not was, not been, nor were. Yes, right, it's be. The last one. They do, did, are, were not used to play a lot. Here we are speaking about some habit in the past. And here we have the verb use. So we are supposed to use which one? Do, did, are, were. Perfect. It's did. Thank you so much for your sincere listening.